Good day everyone, my name is Adrian Buhayan. So now, let's dive on our topic, which is the man-made ecosystem. So when we say man-made ecosystem, it is also called an artificial or human-made ecosystem, is an environment significantly altered and maintained by human activities, unlike natural ecosystem that develop organically. These systems are designed and managed to serve specific human purposes, often involving the manipulation of biotic or living and biotic non-living components. So they lack the self-regulating mechanism found in natural ecosystem and are dependent on continuous human intervention for their survival. So a man-made ecosystem is like garden or a fish tank that people create and take care of. It's not something that happens naturally on its own. So humans change and control the environment to make it work the way they want, like growing food or keeping animals, because it's made by people. It needs constant attention and care to keep it healthy. So that's all for man-made ecosystem.
So there are types of man-made ecosystem. First is agricultural ecosystem. These are designed for food production encompassing crop cultivation and livestock farming. They involve significant modification of natural landscapes, including clearing land, irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. These systems often feature monocultures or the single crop species, which can reduce biodiversity.
Next is aquaculture systems. This involves the farming of aquatic organisms like fish and shellfish in controlled environments. Factors such as water quality, temperature, and feeding are carefully managed to optimize production. Lastly is urban ecosystem. Cities are complex man-made ecosystem characterized by high population density and extensive infrastructure. They involve significant alterations to natural landscapes and present unique challenges in terms of resource management and environmental impact.
I'm going to discuss the third component and intervention within man-made ecosystem. Man-made ecosystem, like natural ones, comprise biotic and abiotic components. However, the balance and intervention are heavily influenced by human intervention. Biotic components. These are the living organisms within the system, often selected and managed by humans. Example include crops in agriculture, fish in aquaculture, and plants and animals in zoo. Abiotic components. These are the non-living elements such as soil, water, air, and sunlight. Humans often manipulate these to optimize conditions for the desired organism. For example, a farmer adjusts soil nutrients, irrigate crops, and control temperature in greenhouses. Energy flows and nutrient cycle. Energy flow and nutrient cycle are often simplified in man-made ecosystem compared to natural ones. Humans often introduce external energy sources, fertilizer and feeds, and manage nutrient cycles to support the system.
Everyone, my name is Ameer. So the next is environmental impacts of man-made ecosystem. Man-made ecosystem have both positive and negative impacts on the environment. So the positive impacts, they can increase food production, support conservation efforts, and provide recreational opportunities. So the negative impact, they can lead to habitat loss, pollution, reduced biodiversity, and unsustainable resources use. So that's all for the environmental impacts of man-made ecosystem.
So the lastly is the sustainability in man-made ecosystem. So creating sustainability man-made ecosystem is crucial. This requires minimizing environment impact while meeting human needs. Strategies include optimized resource use, reducing waste, and protecting biodiversity. So sustainability, making man-made ecosystem sustainable means taking good care of them so they can last a long time without hurting nature. This means using resources wisely, creating less trash, and making sure plants and animals can live happily. So it's about balancing what people need with protecting the environment. So that's all of our group, which is the man-made ecosystem. Thank you.